In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up one Shopify store for multiple international markets. Open Google Chrome on your laptop, then go to your Shopify.com login page. Wait for the page to fully load so you can access the browser options from the top right corner of Chrome. Now move to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window and click it once. This opens the main Chrome menu as a drop-down, where you can access options related to the current page. In the menu, find Cast, Save, and Share, then move your cursor over it. A side menu will appear with more actions for the page you currently have open. In that side menu, click Install Page as App. This tells Chrome to turn the Shopify page into its own standalone app window instead of keeping it as a normal browser tab. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. In this pop-up, you will see the app name, which usually matches the title of the page. When that pop-up appears, click Install. As soon as you do that, Shopify opens in a separate standalone window. This new window is separate from Chrome, so you will not see the usual browser tabs or the address bar at the top. It looks more like a desktop app and opens in its own dedicated space on your screen. At this point, the main setup is complete. Shopify is now installed as a standalone app on your laptop, and it also gets its own icon in the taskbar while the app is open. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To make it easier to open later, look down at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen while the Shopify app window is still open. You should see the Shopify icon there. Move to that icon, right-click it, and open the taskbar options connected to the app. From the menu that appears, click Pin to Taskbar. That keeps the Shopify icon in the taskbar permanently, even after the app is closed. Once that is done, you can close the Shopify app if you want, and the icon will remain pinned in place. From now on, you can launch Shopify directly from the taskbar with a single click, without needing to open Google Chrome first.